Hello, my name is Jasmani Subirat, and in this spring, Jairo Martin and I are working on the SkillCourt project. This video is to show you how to use the application with the pad emulator. So first, to set it up, you have to create a hotspot with the username SkillCourt and password SkillCourt. Once you're there, since I already created it, I just have to click on turn on the hotspot. But you can see here the the name of the hotspot is SkillCourt and the password is SkillCourt. So on the computer, let's connect to that hotspot that we just created. So once we're there, let's connect the phone. We have developer mode enabled, so it should pop out a little message saying that if we want to allow USB debugging, just yes. That's for us to use our phone instead of the emulator that Android Studio provides for us. Okay, so let's open the emulator. In my case, I have the emulator stored in the download folders. I have a Windows device, so I'm using the CMD console window, but you can use a terminal if you have a Mac or Linux. It's pretty much the same. CD downloads. And then the name of the emulator is Pad Emulator. So, and it is reading in Python, and the command to open a Python file is Python, and then the file name, Pad Emulator 1. Okay. So right now the pad is waiting for the discovery. So basically, it's waiting for the app to open. Let's run it here. You don't have to run it from Android Studio. You can just click on the app on the phone, and that's pretty much it. Right, so we don't need this anymore. Let's just put the emulator on full screen so you can see what's happening on the emulator side. And in the phone side, we click to play. We can see that there's 4 pads connected. And play, let's select any game. Let's do a mono game in which we select the sequence of the paths, right? Save, and let's play it by time and 1 minute. Okay. So now you're seeing hit is 0. Now hit is 1. It simulated a hit. Hit is 2. Simulating a hit. It's not gonna simulate a miss, unfortunately, but it does simulate the hit. This is pretty much to help you if you don't have a pad. I definitely recommend having the pads if you're working on this project. But if you don't have a pad, this is just pretty much to help you get familiar with the application and how it works. You can definitely play around with the emulator and has some miss, like create maybe an interface that once you click on a button or once you put a command in, it will create a miss or not send a hit signal. But in this case, we don't have that. We're just sending hits to make sure that everything is working fine. And once it's done, it's completely done. Let's see, the game is over. 100% hits. We can save the game. I already created some sections, but you can just save in session number 3. Notes. Playing with the pad emulator. Okay, now it's saved. So if we go home, stats, what happened with the session 3, we're playing with the pad emulator. Okay, I hope you like the video. Signing off now. Thanks.